Hi guys, it's Erica here and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you today a really cool app that I found a couple of days ago. Before I jump into this video though, why don't you go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you want to hear and see more about ways of how to make money and like other cool kind of apps and stuff like I'm going to show you today. So the name of the app that I found, and it's also a website as well, but it's called Yoodlize. And what Yoodlize is basically where you can rent almost anything out. So we already know that there's different rental places, like if you're having a party or whatnot, you can rent chairs and tables. You can go to that, that store or that company and rent those items. But this is for people within your community. You as just an individual can rent out these items to people within your neighborhood, within your community. So this is really, really cool. So I'm just going to show you a little bit how this app works and just a little bit of the items that's on this app. So as you see right here under hot rentals, it's just all kinds of things listed. So they have some chairs, they have tables, there's a trailer, some goblets, so all kind of things that you can rent out. They even rent out games and different things like that. So it's really cool. It seems like almost anything, you can rent out to people. So really cool. What I did notice about this app is it does seem like a lot of the areas for people that are renting out things is in Utah. So I'm assuming that's where this app was originally generated from. But I'm really hoping that it will spread throughout, the other states, so that, more people can, rent from each other. But I'm going to just go ahead really quick and show you a little bit how this app works. So I'm going to go to settings and then I'm going to scroll down here to just show you how it works. So you can rent almost anything that you have. And basically as you scroll down, it shows you about how it works, and it also shows you, before I get into how it works, it tells you that your items are covered up to $2,000. So that's the good thing, about this app is you don't have to just worry about renting it out and, wondering what happens if somebody breaks, your lawnmower or breaks a chair or whatnot. Your items are covered up to $2,000. So that's really cool. And that should give you some relief in, wanting to put your items on here for rent. Now, a little bit how it works. So if you are a owner of an item, like say, like if I wanted to list a lawnmower or something like that, you would, create your listing of whatever it is that you want to rent out. Then someone would, message you, and then you would go ahead and approve, respond to them and approve that listing or approve, what the item that they want to rent. And then you'll go ahead and rent out, meet up with them to, hand over the item, and then you earn money from that. So it's really cool. Seems like a really simple process for you to do. If you are a person who wants to, rent out an item from someone, you would browse just like how I was showing you a little bit before of just all the different items that you could choose to rent from. You would browse, then you would select the item and the time and the dates that you wanted, to reserve them. Then you would, of course, pick up the item and then you would just return them to the owner of that item and then leave them a review. So just again, another simple process. And the one thing I do like about this as well is, to be on this platform, you have to submit your license, to get verified. They, make sure you can become a verified user. So who's renting out your items, and they know, of course, that, you as the owner. So, you won't have any, complications or somebody, if somebody is trying to take your things or whatnot, you'll know who that user is or who that person is. So, really cool. I have not listed anything yet on this platform, but I do plan on renting some things out. Like I said, I've seen, it primarily be for Utah. And then I think I might have seen something on here for rent for in Michigan. But I'm really hoping that this app really takes off into the other states, because it really seems like something that is cool. So I'll do a sample search as well. So I'll search for, let me see, a lawnmower. And let's just see what comes up. So you can put basically anything on. And as you can see, it's different prices. So you would just select that item, and then you can even see the user. You see how many listings they have. You see that they're a verified user, and it even shows the number of reviews they have, and it shows a little bit of description about it, and also rental rules, which is good. They say Facebook account must be shared, free delivery within 5-mile radius. So that's really cool as well. So as you can see, again, just all different types of items that you can rent out. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you take an opportunity to just go through it and, either be a renter of, something on this site, or put something up and, share this, with the people within your community, within your state, so that this app can really take off, because I definitely think it's a really, really cool app. All right. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like seeing videos like this. And also if you like seeing other ways of how you can bring in some extra income, hence this way. So go ahead and hit that like button as well. And I will see you in the next video.